we're gonna fix an old busted screen here. To do that, you need the old screen. We're gonna reuse the frame on it. We've got some new screen, and we've got some screen spline. So I'm gonna show you how to take off the old screen, and then we'll put the new screen on. So to fix the screen, it's actually very easy. We're gonna start by taking out the existing edging. We're gonna save that edging for reuse later, and then we're gonna put some new screen where the old screen used to be. So let me start by taking out the old edging. You wanna make sure not to bend the frame while you're doing this. You just wanna grab this piece that holds it in place, and little by little, just keep taking it out. So let's take a break there. I'm gonna finish this and then I'll move on to the next step. So now that we've got the old screen spline off, we'll go ahead and just take off the old screen. And I've got a new piece of screen that's rough cut. It's not precise because we cut it to size after we put it on. So we're just gonna go ahead and run the old spline, and you can stretch it to make it thinner. I've got this tool that looks like a pizza cutter to go ahead and shove it into the groove. So I'm gonna keep tension on the screen spline while I push it into the groove. I'm just keeping some light tension to keep it thin, and once it's inside its own groove, it'll expand to its normal size. And when you're pressing down, you want to make sure not to press against either side because you don't want to accidentally cut either side of the screen just yet. Okay, so I've got the new screen put in. I didn't need to use any new screen spline because I've got it. I just used the old one. Now I'm gonna take I call this a banana knife, but it's a razor knife, and I'm just gonna cut along the outside seam. Careful not to cut on the interior of the screen that's being used, but on the outside where we're no longer gonna use that portion of the screen. At this point, I've finished trimming all the edges. So here we've got our new old screen. I'll go ahead and put this back in the kitchen and we're done for the day. Thanks for watching. What are you doing?
Fixing a screen with the spleen.
What'd you do? Watch a YouTube video or something?
Yes. What's your YouTube video channel called?
Nomad.
Nomad. On YouTube. But now I can change all of my old screens all by myself.
Man, you're pretty awesome.
I know.
Okay, happy screening.
Happy screening.